Everybody, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. For those that don't know or new to everything, I've got a new revamped website. I'm really pushing the forum, trying to get people to communicate on it and open it up as a resource for a place to go. And so, everything's in place now. New trading system or processes that I have to automate things. So as of this week, going into a new week on October 20th, 2013, obviously I'll be entering into a phase of strategy development, and that's pretty well going to be my focus from here on out till the day I die. And obviously I wanted to get the latest resources out there in terms of magazines at my disposal. So I'm going to introduce you to them. I've done this before last year, but I'm taking these more seriously. So I bought four. The first one's called Technical Analysis, Stocks and Commodities. You know, I find technical analysis is somewhat important just to be as a frontline gatekeeper to all the other stuff before you start wasting your time on researching and prototyping stuff. See what assets are worth pursuing. And technical analysis is a good way to do that, to sort of weed out a lot of this stuff. And instead of focusing on 1,000 different assets, you just focus on 10 that might show potential. And technical analysis is a good way of doing that. And yeah, I find that that's a good magazine as a source for technical analysis ideas. The other one, obviously, is Futures. This magazine, from what I've seen, a lot of professionals use, and a lot of people don't know about it. But commodities is a huge area to really build a lot of wealth. Obviously, you need to specialize in certain areas, but the good thing about automated trading is you can focus on various areas, build automated trading processes, and let them run. And what you can do from there is you can then start to build alerts to say, hey, in real time, this is happening in this area of the markets. Let's say, I don't know, spike in oil or something. You can zero in and have a strategy kick in and start throwing money at it if it senses something that there's a movement in the markets in that particular asset. So obviously futures is a good area for that, and that's something that I'm looking at and may fool around with in the near future. And obviously active trading is a big thing. This is a good magazine for that. It has good. I think this is the one that has some source code in it for all the different retail trading platforms out there. Maybe it's the other one, Technical Stocks, whatever. But these are good magazines to work with. And I just thought I'd take them out. These are the ones that I can get here in Toronto. And there's one more magazine I want you to pick up on. This is the one that is the big granddaddy of them all. It's the Bloomberg Markets. A lot of the institutional guys read this, and it's really good. Just to see what's going on with hedge fund managers and that sort of thing. And also use Bloomberg Markets, or sorry, Bloomberg TV is a good general resource for learning about trading strategies as well. The other one that a lot of people don't know about for iPads and Android, or iOS, I guess, for mobile devices is Morningstar. It's a very good app for that, and I try to read that every day as well. This gives you a general consensus of what's happening globally with the different trading ideas, and just basically where people think the markets will be in 3 months, a month, a couple of weeks, or whatever. But they're just ideas that I'm putting out there, and I'm just now consuming all this stuff to come up with some really radical and hopefully innovative ideas that can get me to a point where I can profit off of. And obviously using the automated trading processes and systems that I've got now in place that I've developed over the last couple of months. Again, thanks to the Quant from London and some other people to get me to where I'm at. So thought I'd just put those out there for you, and let me know what you think. Talk to you later.